నేను మీకు సాటర్డే పెట్టేస్తానండి టెస్ట్, అంటే సండే కొంచెం ఫ్రీ ఇద్దామనా. ఓకే రైట్, maybe tomorrow you have the test, I don't know. చూడండి, ball is dropped from the top of a building. So there is a building here. This is ball A. And another ball B is thrown upward, identical ball. Identical means same mass, same shape. Same mass and shape. This is projected vertically upwards. Let us take that it is projected with a speed u. Let us assume. Next question. When the balls collide, collision జరుగుతుంది. Okay. They are moving in opposite directions. Speed of A is twice the speed of B. Here they collided, for example, at this point. Speed of A is twice the speed of B. Then speed V and then speed 2V and now. At the time of collision, here they are colliding. No? Speed of A is twice the speed of B. This is the B ball now, this is going up and this is coming down, both collided here. Okay. What fraction of the height of the building did the collision occur? And if this is total height of the building is h. This is the first example for today, and this is x. We need to calculate x by h. Question is, at what fraction of the height of the building the collision occurred? Collision ఎక్కడ జరిగింది? ఏ fraction of height of the building లో? Okay? Answer is 2/3. So this is the answer. 2/3 is the answer. One of the options is this. Any idea we have here? This I have taken. U is the initial speed. I have taken. What is the question? At what fraction of height of the building? At what fraction of height of the building the collision occurred? Okay. Right. ఏం చేద్దాం చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ this distance is x, what is this distance? h minus x. Okay. And first I will take v equal to u plus at formula. V equal to u plus acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, na? G. U is 0. This is dropped, na? This A is dropped. If this is projected upwards, dropped means initial velocity is 0. After t time, let the speed of it is 2v. And what about this B ball? In the same time, its speed has become v. In the same time, simultaneously, the one is dropped and another one is projected simultaneously. and V is equal to U minus GT. Why I have to take minus G here? Because U I have taken positive. U I have taken positive. G is downwards, na? So you have to take negative. Previously, 2V is I have taken positive. G also I have to take positive previously. E equation చూడండి, velocity positive తీసుకుంటే కింద ఉంది కదా velocity ఇది. This body is going down and this body is going up. This body, okay. So 2V I have taken positive means G also I have to take positive. What about this case? U, if I am taking positive, G I have to take negative. Okay. Let us add these two. So if I add these two, 3V is equal to U, you will get. Then V, how much we are getting? We are getting as U by 3. Certainly we have to expect this, because as this body is going upwards, its speed decreases. Okay, this you understood, right? Next we will apply V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. V square, first we will apply for this. 2V whole square minus 0 square is equal to 2G into H minus X. What is this distance? H minus X only, no? If this is X, this will be H minus X. Okay. And we will apply V square minus U square for this also, for the ball B. V square minus U square is equal to 2 into minus G into X you have to write. Okay, when you are taking V as positive, these two as positive, G you have to take negative, minus G. Displacement kuda positive తీసుకున్నాను. X is positive, then G should be negative. This is minus G. Okay. And now if I add these two equations, what I am getting here, 3V is equal to U, na? V equal to U by 3. I will just substitute V equal to U by 3 here and here. V equal to U by 3 we will substitute here. 2V, what is this? 2 in 4, 2 square is 4, na? V square means U square by 9 is equal to 2G into H minus X. Okay. What about this? U square by 3. U by 3 whole square is how much? U square by 9, na? Minus U square is equal to minus 2GX. I divide these two equations. If I divide these two equations, dividing above two equations, okay, what I will get? 4 by 9 divided by minus 8 by 9 is equal to H minus X by minus X. So this minus minus gets cancelled, 9 also got cancelled. So that implies 1 by 2 is equal to how much we got? H minus X by X. X is equal to 2H minus 2X. So 3X is equal to 2H. That implies X equal to 2H by 3. So this is the answer, okay? First note down, I will again explain this. Just note down this. Why I have used many formulas? Here V equal to U plus 82 times I used, and V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. That also I used 2 times. So 2H by 3. X by H is nothing but 2 by 3, na? X by H is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay. Note down this. చేస్తాను ఉండండి. జస్ట్ 1 minute. ఒక నిమిషము. తమిళ్లో ఒక నిమిషం అంటారు. ఒక నిమిషం. Okay. We'll go for another question. Question you understood? One ball is dropped. Dropped means initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0. Okay. This is v equal to u plus at, and that is v square minus u square is equal to as. Okay. Second body is thrown up, and at the time of collision, what he said? The velocity is, the speed of ball A is twice the speed of ball B. అంటే ఇది v అని తీసుకుంటే ఇది ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి? 2v అని తీసుకోవాలి. So that is okay. That's what I have taken 2v whole square minus 0 square is equal to 2g into what is the displacement here? H minus x. Okay. And collision, they are, this is dropped and simultaneously this is projected upwards. Means they are meeting somewhere. Na? Time is same for the collision. Okay. And one is projected upwards. Ante u positive తీసుకుంటే g minus తీసుకోవాలి. u upwards ఉంది, g downwards ఉంది. Okay, v equal to u by 3 వచ్చింది. That I will substitute here. Okay, all these things I have assumed. U I have assumed, and this I assumed as v, and this I assumed as 2v. I have to eliminate these things now. V, u, 2v, and v and u I have to eliminate. I have assumed those things. First, what I eliminated? V I eliminated. V. Instead of v, what I have written? U by 3. U by 3 whole square is u square by 9. అర్థమైందా? తర్వాత ఇక్కడ కూడా v ఎలిమినేట్ చేశాను. v బదులు ఏం రాస్తున్నాను? u, v square బదులు u square by 9 రాశాను. And then I divided these two equations. Okay, simple logic. Right, I am erasing this. Right. So one more example I will give of simple logic. Okay. There is a bridge. There is a bridge of height 39.2 meters. There is a bridge of height 39.2 meters. No, just he dropped a stone. Okay. అంటే దూకొచ్చు వేరే వాడిని కాపాడడానికి. అర్థమవుతుందా? There is a bridge of height 39.2 meters. A stone is dropped. A stone is dropped from it. Okay. Another stone is dropped. Another stone is thrown downwards. Another stone is thrown downwards. Let the bridge height ఇంకా ఎక్కువ తీసుకుందాం. 78.4 meters తీసుకుందాం. 78.4 meters. Okay. Another stone is thrown downwards. బాబోయ్ ఏంటమ్మా ఏడుపు? నవ్వా ఏడుపాలి? ఒక నిమిషం ఉండండి, మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను. Another stone is thrown downwards with and initial velocity so that both stone touch together, so that both touch the water surface together, both touch the water surface together, water surface simultaneously and simultaneously. Okay, what is the speed the second stone is thrown downwards with an initial velocity u and rastanu? What is u? And one is dropped and 1 second later second stone is thrown downwards. Okay, second stone is thrown downwards with an initial speed velocity u so that both touch the water surface simultaneously. What is the speed u? ఒక నిమిషం ఉండండి, చాట్ ఏంటో చూద్దాం. సరే, ఏం లేదు. First we need to calculate what is the time taken by the stone to touch the water surface. First stone, the formula is S is equal to half GD square. S is nothing but 78.4 and G is 9.8 9.8 into T square. Okay, how many times this will go? 9.8 into 8 times it will go. So this goes 8 times and 8 to 16. T square is 16 means T is equal to 4 seconds, na? So after 4 seconds it is touching the water surface. And second stone also should touch the water surface simultaneously. That means second stone should travel a time of 3 seconds. Okay, and after 1 second another stone is thrown downwards with an initial velocity so that after 1 second అని ఇవ్వాలి. After 1 second. ఓకే, అంటే 1 సెకండ్ తర్వాత సెకండ్ స్టోన్ కిందకి ఇసిరేరు. రెండు సైమల్టేనియస్ గా టచ్ అవ్వాలంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? సెకండ్ స్టోన్ 3 seconds లో పడాలి కదా. Second stone should travel the same distance in 3 seconds. Okay, I have not given that. After 1 second you have to write. After 1 second, second stone is thrown downwards. So now same distance 78.4 is equal to u I have to find, but now the time is 3 seconds, not 4 seconds, because simultaneously that should go and touch along with the first stone. Plus half into G into 3 square. Okay, this goes 4.9 times and 3u is equal to 78.4 minus 9 into 4.9. What is 9 into 4.9? 4.9 into 9, 81, 8, 44.1. 44.1. And if I subtract these two, 3u is equal to how much? 34.3. Is it correct? Okay. And then u is nothing but 34.3 divided by 3. This is nothing but 13 into 11.4. Okay, nearly 11.4 meters per second. Okay. Write down this. You understood this question? So see, one stone is dropped downwards. 1 second later, second stone is thrown downwards so that both reach simultaneously. And the first stone has taken 4 seconds. So second stone should reach the water surface in 3 seconds so that both touches the water at the same time. And here, what formula I have used here? Ut plus half at square. U is positive. The downward velocity, U is positive. G also I have to take positive. G also I have to take positive. Displacement is also positive. What is displacement here? 78.4. Okay, displacement is also downwards only, na? All are downwards only, then everything I have to take positive. This is positive, this is U is positive, A is also positive. Okay, why it is I have not taken U here? Because it is dropped. Okay, fine. So these kind of simple logic questions you need to understand and do. Okay. Kinematics anta easy adentini vectors anta easy kaadu idi. Okay. Vectors we have only few formulas. So little hard work you need to do. This one, so this one, okay, stone drop chesadu. One stone is dropped from a bridge. So this is the water surface, and that stone is coming and touching the water in 4 seconds. How I got to know about this? Because this formula is there. S is equal to half G square. U is 0. And from here I will get time as 4 seconds. Second stone is dropped, thrown downwards. It has some initial velocity, so that both touches the water simultaneously. 1 second later ante second stone ki enta time pattali, second stone also should come and touch along with the first stone. 3 seconds pattali. For the second stone it should travel, it should take only 3 seconds. Again, what is this formula I am using? S is equal to ut plus half G square. Because I have thrown downwards, this here I should not take U as 0. Here I have taken U as 0. Because first stone is dropped. Okay, one more question. Right, let us go for integration question. I'm just erasing this. Before going to integration question, this matching is there. Matching, we'll do that. స్వీటీ అమ్మ వెళ్ళిపోయిందే, నేనేం తిట్టలేదే, నవ్వుతుందా అని అడిగాను అంతే. సరే చూద్దాం. think she's not there. Okay, no problem. Right, I'll just erase this, right? Okay. Very good. ఒకసారి క్లాత్ తో కూడా తుడిచేస్తే కొంచెం నీట్ గా ఉంటుంది. Okay, now it is neat. Right. So one matching question is there. So there is a matching here. A balloon rises up. There is a balloon. Okay. And we are standing here. This is fixed. Okay. We are standing somewhere over here. And we are dropping this balloon is going up. This balloon is going up, and its initial speed is 0. Balloon's initial speed is 0. This is matching question. Okay, you may get matching also. Okay, this is going up with constant acceleration 10 meter per second square. This balloon is going up with constant acceleration 10 meter per second square. After 2 seconds, a body drops from the balloon. Balloon 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, we have dropped a body. Okay, we are standing here, and we dropped a body. This is falling down. Okay. This height it has to travel. H height it has to travel. This body. Okay. After 2 seconds. This is after 2 seconds we dropped the body. A body is dropped. Dropped అంటే ఏంటమ్మా ఇనీషియల్ వెలాసిటీ is 0. ఓకే తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ ఫర్దర్ 2 seconds G10 తీసుకోమన్నాడు. bracket it is given. After further 2 seconds. Okay, we have the matching here. Height of the body from the ground. Height of the body from ground. This is the first one. And second one is speed of the body. Speed of body. Body and a dead body got some stone. Okay. Displacement of the body in 2 seconds after it drops from the balloon. Displacement of the body. And fourth one is acceleration of the body. This last option is easy. And PQRS we have. PQRS. P is 0 and Q is 10. This is 40. This is 20. ఎవరైనా ఆప్షన్స్ చెప్తారా? ఒక్క నిమిషం మ్యూట్ తీస్తాను. వేర్ ఆర్ ద పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ లిస్ట్? మ్యూట్ తీస్తాను. నాకు ఆన్సర్స్ ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా? Anybody can tell the answers for this. Which A corresponding matching on my. This is just matching. Anybody can tell the answer? Surya Pratap, Aryan, Harshavardhan, ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నారు. Harsha, B Harsha. Anybody? Roop Sai. Anybody? Any one answer you tell. Acceleration is how much? D corresponds to Q. Because it is falling under gravity, no external force is acting. What is acceleration due to gravity? What he has provided? 10. So D corresponds to Q. What are the other options? Meeta options cheppandi. Speed of the body enta. This is easy only. Or acceleration of the body means it is in air. It is in air. It is falling down. Okay, and only one force is acting, and that is gravity. And the acceleration due to gravity, I have to write. First of all, I should not take U as 0. I should not take U as 0 because the balloon is moving up. The body also will have the same velocity as that of the balloon. Dropped and velocity 0 తీసుకోకూడదు. What is the velocity of the balloon at the time of dropping of this? V is equal to U plus AT. 0 plus acceleration is 2 na? 4 meters per second. Now that body also has 4 meters per second upwards. Okay. అంటే డ్రాప్ చేసామని U0 తీసుకోకూడదు. ఇందాక ఏదో U0 అనేసాను. ఇది మరి బెలూన్ కొంత వెలాసిటీ, బెలూన్ వెలాసిటీ సేమ్ యాజ్ దిస్ బాల్ వెలాసిటీ. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ అప్వర్డ్స్. Now he is asking what is the speed of the body. First we will calculate the speed. This is the initial velocity of the ball. So final velocity is what? Final velocity is initial velocity minus gt, g into t. Okay, what is the initial velocity? 4. ఇదంతా 10 కదా, ఇది దిస్ ఇస్ 10 ఓకే. దిస్ ఇస్ 10 అంటే ఇది 20 0. ఇనిషియల్ స్పీడ్ ఇస్ 20 ఓకే. ఫైనల్ 20 minus 20 is 0 అంటే what is this B corresponding to P? అంటే what formula I have taken? You tell U minus GT. Why minus here? అంటే బెలూన్ నుంచి డ్రాప్ చేసినా కూడా బెలూన్ స్పీడే ఉంటుంది ఇంకా బాల్ కి, అంటే కొంచెం పైకి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ కిందకు వస్తుంది. The ball goes little high and then comes down. Okay, after the ball is dropped, initial speed is vertically upwards ఉంది. Balloon velocity ఏదో ball velocity కూడా అదే. Balloon velocity is 20, ball velocity is also 20. And what I have to take? G minus 10 I have to take, because ball velocity is upwards initially and acceleration due to gravity is downwards minus. And 2 seconds tarvata, and after this event, after releasing the ball, after 2 seconds, another 2 seconds, ఇప్పుడు now G is acting. Now balloon's acceleration is not acting because it is separated from the balloon. Ball is separated from the balloon. Now what is acting? Gravity is acting. So what is that acceleration due to gravity? Minus 10 I have taken, because initial speed is upwards. Maybe we can consider the body is at the maximum height, okay? Because it is 0 na, velocity is 0 and maximum height there undi ippudu. Okay, next, what is the displacement? Displacement formula cheppandi. S equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, this part I will erase, I will do here. Okay. Displacement is with what acceleration the balloon is going up, 10 meter per second square na? And what is the speed of the balloon after 2 seconds? 20. This one. And now S is equal to Chapanama ut plus half at square. U is how much? 20. T enta 2 seconds. Minus I have to take. Why minus I have to take? Because U I have taken positive and U is upwards initially. Balloon velocity is upwards. Ball velocity is also upwards initially. So balloon and ball will have same velocity. Okay. ఇప్పుడు మనం బెలూన్ లో వెళ్తున్నాం అనుకోండి, బెలూన్ వెలాసిటీ ఎంత ఉందో మన వెలాసిటీ కూడా అంతే ఉంటది కదా. ఓకే, బాల్ మన దగ్గర ఒక బాల్ ఉంది, బాల్ వెలాసిటీ కూడా అదే ఉంటది, పైకి ఉంటది అప్వర్డ్స్. ఇది అప్వర్డ్స్ అయితే ఇది G డౌన్వర్డ్స్ ఉంది, అంటే -10 తీసుకోవాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ G యాజ్ -10. దిస్ క్యాన్సిల్స్ అవుట్ and what is this? 40 minus 20. This is 20 meters. Displacement is 20 meters. Displacement is 20 meters. C corresponds to S. Okay. Already we said about D. D corresponds to Q. And what is height? Height may be 40. We will check. Height may be 40. What is the initial displacement of the balloon? Initial displacement of the balloon is how much? Balloon half into 10 into 2 square. Balloon acceleration is 2 na? 10. Balloon acceleration is 10. Time is 2. Then already balloon is at a height of 20 meters. And the ball now further it has gone another 20 meters. What is the total height from the ground? Total height from the ground is 40 meters. So this one, this corresponds to R. Okay, note down this. Ardhamainda? PS ఏంటమ్మా మమత? ఓ నేను తిట్టాను వెళ్ళిపోకండి మళ్ళీ. నేను తెట్లేదు ఆయన అసలు ఏంటో 2 బాక్సులు పెట్టాడు. స్పీడ్ అండ్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్. ఓహో సరేనమ్మా. Okay, just I will explain once again. A balloon is there. Initially it started from rest and it is moving with acceleration 10 meter per second square. After 2 seconds a body is dropped. Dropped and take geo u because the body will have the same velocity as that of the balloon. First we will calculate the velocity of the balloon. Velocity of the balloon is u plus at. A is upwards, t. Okay, b you will get positive. So 20 meters per second. And then the body is dropped. Dropped means you should not take initial speed as 0 here in this case, because this and the same question it will be asking. A helicopter is rising like this and a food packet is dropped like that. Okay, and there you have to take dropped means u0 తీసుకోకూడదు, హెలికాప్టర్ స్పీడ్ తీసుకోవాలి. యూ బ్రాడ్బ్యాండ్ స్లో ఉంది, అన్మ్యూట్ ఉందా ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఓకే అన్మ్యూట్. యూ బ్రాడ్బ్యాండ్ అది సడన్ గా కనెక్షన్ పోయింది. మన జగనన్న కనెక్షన్ వచ్చింది మనకి. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఏపీ ఫైబర్ నెట్. ఏపీ ఫైబర్ నెట్ ఇప్పుడు దాకా కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు, సడన్ గా కనెక్ట్ అయింది. సడన్లీ ఇట్ గాట్ కనెక్టెడ్. One more problem we will do. Just cooperate. Right. This is China. 1 minute left. అది మామూలుగా 1 minute left. మనం వెయిట్ చేస్తాం ఉండండి. ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోయింది ఆ ఫోన్లో. సరే, just erase this. So one integration problem we will do. Okay. అంటే ఇంతకు ముందు ఏంటంటే ఈ ఫైబర్ నెట్, ఏపీ ఫైబర్ నెట్ ఈజీగా కనెక్ట్ అయ్యేది. ఇప్పుడు కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు, ఇందాక చాలాసేపు పట్టింది కనెక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి. మిగతా వస్తున్నాయి, యూట్యూబ్ అది వస్తుంది, ఇదే కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు, జూమే కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. ఓకే, we'll have one more question, little tough question. Okay. A particle is projected vertically upwards. So that is another example. A particle is projected vertically upwards with a speed u, in a medium in which the resistance to the motion is proportional to speed. Square of the speed. Initially the net force is double to its weight. And the net force is kV square plus mg. This is double to the weight. The initial velocity is u. Okay, u is the initial speed. Okay, and the net force is 2 times the weight under. Okay, when the ball is going up, air resistance will be acting downwards, na? And that he has given like this. It is directly proportional to u square, and some k is the constant. Okay, and another sentence is also given. 4% battery left. Okay, no problem. అయిపోతుంది. ku square is equal to ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా? ku square is nothing but mg. Okay, now further the question continued like this. Initially the net force is double the net force అంటే ఎయిర్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఉంది, వెయిట్ కూడా కిందకి యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. 2 forces are there, this air frictional force as well as weight. So net force is 2 times mg అన్నాడు. So ku square I got, and then if the find the time of ascent కట్టాలి. టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ascent ఎంత ఇచ్చాడంటే k pi u by 4g. k వాల్యూ కట్టాలి. k వాల్యూ 1 వచ్చింది. ఓకే, k value actually answer is 1. K value is 1. Okay. మనం force అంటే what is force? Mass into acceleration na? Mass into acceleration. Acceleration is dv by dt. Okay, is equal to minus kv square plus mg. Both are acting downwards. Okay. And mass of the body, mass of the body is not given mass. Okay. And m into dv by this thing kv square plus mg is equal to minus k into dt. I can write like this, minus k into dt. What is the answer? Time of ascent అంటే తెలుసా మీకు? Time taken to reach the maximum height. And at the maximum height, velocity is 0. K1, answer is K is 1. And this is an integer type question, okay? And on both the sides I have to integrate. Time is 0 to t. T I have to find. 0 to t, okay. Initial speed is u and final speed is v. And what are the limits on the left hand side? ఇదేంటి ఎవరో షేర్ చేశారు ఇది? ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ద హోస్ట్. ఎవరు హోస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు? ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండండి. మై సెల్ఫ్ కదా. షేర్ స్క్రీన్ ఆపేద్దామా? షేర్ స్క్రీన్ ఆపేయమ్మా. అజరుద్దీన్, ఒక్క నిమిషమా, తర్వాత చెబుతుగానే ఏదైనా మంచిది. సరే, ఇక్కడ we have to apply the formula of this integration formula. M into actually integral 1 by a square minus 1 by a square plus x square integration entante tan inverse x by a. That is the formula. అంటే ఇక్కడ mg plus kv square అని రాద్దాం. mg plus kv square. K ఎంత? K is nothing but mg by u square. mg by u square. ఆ mg బయట తీసేయండి. mg you take outside. m divided by mg into ఇక్కడ dv ఉంది, dv ఇక్కడ u square plus v square వస్తుంది. LCM తీసుకున్న తర్వాత you will get like this, u square plus v square into dv. u constant, ఇక్కడ initial speed is constant. Okay, and this will go up. బయట తీసేద్దాం. u constant కాబట్టి you take out of integration, and this is minus k into t. Okay, what is the formula I said just now? u square by g, tan inverse x by a, and v by u, tan inverse v by u. Okay, what is the lower limit? Lower limit is u, upper limit is v. Okay, is equal to k. Upper limit 0 కదా, upper limit is 0 అంటే స్టాప్ అవ్వాలి కదా. టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ascent అంటే మైనస్ కే టీఏ అని రాద్దాం. టీఏ ఇస్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ascent. పైన ఆగాలి కదమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ యూ స్క్వేర్ బై జీ ఉంది, తర్వాత tan ఇన్వర్స్ 0 పెడితే ఇక్కడ tan 0 is 0 ఓన్లీ. ఇక్కడ u పెడితే tan ఇన్వర్స్ 1. tan ఇన్వర్స్ 1 is pi by 4. ఓకే, is equal to minus kTA. ఈ మైనస్ మైనస్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ascent is pi u square by 4g. Okay. So k value will be equal to 1. This value is 1. So you need to remember this integration formula. What is that integration formula? Integral 1 by a square x square into dx is this tan inverse x by a. Why I have to go for integration? Chudandi ikkada. I cannot apply s equal to ut plus half a square and all, because this velocity is changing with acceleration is not constant here. Acceleration dv by dt is not constant. V మారితే మారిపోతుంది కదా. అంటే if acceleration is not constant, you cannot apply that v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half a square and all. So ఇది కిందకి తేవాలి, దీని కిందకి తెస్తాం, dv కిందకి ఈ టర్మ్ తేవాలి. Instead of k, what I have to write? Instead of k, you have to write mg by u square. ఇక్కడ రాసాను mg by u square. mg I have taken outside. Constants are integration by this h. And ఇక్కడ LCM ఎంత? What is the LCM? U square is the LCM, and u square plus v square divided by u square. That u square you take outside because it is a constant. And this I have applied the integration formula. What is the integration formula for this? Tan inverse v by u. That formula. And upper limit. What I need? Time of ascent I need. Time of ascent and time taken until its velocity becomes 0. And what is the upper limit for velocity? Upper limit for velocity is 0. Lower limit is, we know this is u. So lower limit is u. Initial speed, this is the final speed, and that is time of ascent. Okay. Integral 1 dt ఎంతమ్మా? t. దాన్ని ta అని రాసుకుందామే. ఫస్ట్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. tan inverse 0 ఎంత? 0 ఏ కదా. tan inverse 0 is 0. And what is, if you substitute u here, ఇక్కడ u సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? tan inverse 1 వస్తుంది. tan inverse 1 అంటే ఎంత? pi by 4. So this is the answer. Note down this and just leave the. Thank you for waiting for 10 more minutes. Okay. And you don't know about, just write down this integration formula also. Okay. Right now. And afterwards you can leave. I have another class. Okay, Azaruddin, bye everybody, take care. 12 o'clock I have another class, okay? మీరు లీవ్ అయితే వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవుతారు, యువర్ సీనియర్స్.